Hello and welcome back to the next episode of JavaScript Beginners to Advanced course. So today we are going to move to the next topic on JavaScript. And this is where we are going to start with keywords in JavaScript. So the next thing we are going to talk about is the keywords in JavaScript. So what are keywords in JavaScript? You know, uh, when we say keyword, this is one of the most important topics someone should know as a programmer. Now, when we say keywords in JavaScript are set of reserved words. These are words, that are being used by that particular language. So we are talking about JavaScript. So which are words that are being used by JavaScript. So whenever you use these words, they cannot be used as a names of functions. You can't use them as just as a function names. Probably wants to define a function that is going to perform a certain task. You cannot use them as a function name, which is going to cause issue. You can use them as a labels. You can use them as a variable name. So you can use those words. They are reserved. They are meant to trigger a certain function or to trigger something in a programming language in JavaScript and also in JavaScript. So as they are already part of the syntax of JavaScript. So those words, they are reserved. They are mainly when they are called, they are to do something in JavaScript. Each of these keywords has its own meaning. Yeah, when they are written, the moment you write it, you see it change colors, and which means JavaScript senses that this thing, then definitely this person wants to perform a certain function with it. They are generally used in executing internal operations. So whenever they are used, they execute, they perform a functions in JavaScript and so on. So you can use them. Please take note of that. You can use them as a function name. You can use them as a labels. You can use them also as a variable name. The moment you write them, they are going to perform their job as a JavaScript keyword. So please take note of that. You want to have a variable name, take note of that. Use another name. Avoid the use of the reserved words in JavaScript. So let's see or let's talk about some of these keywords in details in JavaScript. So now, I hope you have VS Code installed on your PC. So I already have a VS Code installed, and I have a folder which I open already. So try to create a folder, and you open the folder up here. Then the next thing is to create a JavaScript file. Yeah. So and for you to create a JavaScript file, you can either right click and look for where you are going to see a new file. So we are not creating a folder, we are going to create a file. So you can click on here to create the file, or just click on this first icon when you move your mouse. This is your root folder. So I'm going to create this, and I'm going to say script. Oh, sorry, everything should be in small case, please. Script.js. So that's the name of the file which I'm going to be creating. So we are going to, let me zoom in so that you can have a good look at what I'm doing. So here, when we say keyword, so we have a lot of them in JavaScript. There are thousands of them. So you can't say you must know everything before you move on. Now you can't, memorize everything. Just, know the little which you are going to be using and so on. You can't memorize everything, and I can't even list everything right there for you. But I'm going to list some of these important ones, and when we are going to use them, it won't be new to you and so on. So part of what we have is we have the console. We have this console to be a keyword. Yeah, this is a keyword. We have another one which is log. We have alert. We have a lot of them. We have even function. It's a keyword, and some other ones like that. You can go to online, search for JavaScript keywords, and you can also see them. We have all these variable identifiers, also the const, the lets, we have the let, and we have the var and so on. We have a lot of them. We have the document, we have the window, yeah, and so on. Yeah, these are just very, very few out of the JavaScript keywords that we have. So we are going to move to the next topic now. So see you in the next episode. Thank you.